my kind of move right here. Oh!
You've been screaming for it. Now own it. P90X2 is here. But to make sure you get your copy before the holidays, you've got to pre-order today. Order now and you'll get free shipping and handling and be automatically entered to win exclusive weekly prizes.
It looks like this when you're done.
To be one of the first to receive the next evolution in fitness, go to P90X2.com to order yours now.
This is fun, isn't it?